YouTube, what's good, everybody? Hope everyone having a great day today. We are currently in Cali right now. We're actually getting ready to go to the gym. Eesh, what's good with my hair? But yeah, we're ready to go to the gym. We're about to go to either Goals or LA, whichever is closer, as well as whichever will allow me to record. I'm gonna make a few phone calls before I head into there, just so that I always like double check if I can record in the gym, because you never know. I never want to walk into the gym, start recording, and having them tell me, yeah, it's not allowed. I'm like, damn it, and then therefore that ruins the video for you guys, right? So I gotta do that ahead of time, so therefore we're prepared and ready to go. But for now, fixing this nappy ass hair, man. I've been in the airport probably since like 4 a.m. I got to an event, this is why I'm in Cali. I'm here for an event. It's called the Arena, and they're having a summit, and I'm here for an event, and the event's absolutely amazing, man. I've only been there for like 4 hours, got so much value out of those 4 hours, and I missed the first few hours just because my plane was this morning, and it came a little late because we actually had to wait for another plane to go out before we can land, so we had to wait 40 minutes, and I missed the majority of the event, which is okay, but now we have a full day tomorrow. But most importantly, I want to utilize the takeaways I got from today and start implementing that. But you never know. One thing I always say is things happen for a reason. Just that little moment to take it away and implement it, not let me get overwhelmed or let me go overboard. Just take what I got and go with it, you know. And sometimes you gotta take what you can get. Take what you can get, utilize it, and then put yourself in the best position. Because I always tell people, everything you have is all you need when it comes to, achieving a different level or just being a better version of yourself. But yeah. We're about to get into it. I'm actually about to read 1 to 2 pages of this. I actually just got this book today. I got it for free at the summit. The reason I just want to read 1 to 2 pages because I saw the first 1 to 2 pages and it kind of intrigued me. But let's get into it. Before we go, we're going to read this. Probably stop at 7-Eleven, get a C4, and I'll catch you guys at the gym. Why are you so terrified to want more? That's exactly why I started with this. Why are you so terrified to want more? I'm gonna do a little bit of chest and back today. Even though the previous video you just saw shoulders and back, that was like 2 days ago. I've been resting, just getting ready for this travel. So the 5 days I'm here, we go all out. Let's go. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, one big surprise about LA. It's a little bit dirty on the streets, man. I ain't even trying to hate. I'm from New York, so I know what the city be looking like. LA? It's that times 4, bro. Either way, I ain't complaining. We're here to do something. We're here to accomplish something. That's what we're gonna do. That's it. It's like when I went to Minneapolis. It's not what I was expecting at all. But hey, you made it count. Dang, somebody dropped their wings on the ground. We're about to stop at 7-Eleven, and once we stop at Says, I'm definitely just gonna walk right in there, get a C4, and go straight to the gym. That's cool. Goodies secure. Instead of C4 today, we're going Monster. It's a peanut M&M's. Fuck it. Let's go, fam. So we're gonna start with pull-ups just to warm up. We're gonna do 3 sets of 6 to 10. Probably aim for 6. And then from there on, we're gonna go upstairs, or we might stay here because this gym has 2 floors. And from there, we're gonna go looking for a Smith machine chest press because I prefer a Smith machine. So I'd rather do incline to start, so I can get some really buff as well as I'm trying to build that upper shelf. So let's go. Last one. All right. So that was a warm up. Just 3 sets of 6, nothing too crazy. And now we're just gonna go to incline Smith machine press. The reason I prefer the incline Smith machine press, you already know. Less managing, meaning I get more stability, I get more control, and I can keep the target where the target needs to be, which is my upper chest. Because sometimes when I do them like the regular bar, sometimes my shoulders just get in the way, especially if they're not warmed up properly or if they're sore from the previous day, which they are, they tend to get in the way. So today, we're gonna go incline instead of going regular, so therefore I can prevent that. There's certain things you learn as you go. One thing I would say is like, listen to your body while you train. Your body will tell you when a specific position or exercise feels weird after maybe a day of, let's say, doing upper body, and you go do upper body again. You can tell these things, and don't just ignore them. Like, listen to them, because something that's telling you, hey, try something a little different, so therefore you can put yourself in a position to actually grow, feel the muscle, and actually effectively get a good workout. But yeah, now ready to go to the machine. Let's go. Beautiful. Set 3, I'm not gonna lie. First 2 sets felt really good. I say strength wise, I feel really good today, despite that I did chest like 2 days before. So that means I'm fully recovered, I'm ready to go, and now it's just about pushing a little more. So let's get into it. Let's eat. Let's go. All right. Now we're getting to the heavy part of the workout. We warmed up, chest is warmed up, And we're gonna do a superset. We do basically 4 sets, 10 to 15 each. Let's go. This is where we raise the energy, because I need to, especially being low on meals today. Woo! Golly. Push, man. Push, push, push. It's the only difference in those who get extraordinary results and those who don't. It's how much you're willing to push you. Push, push, push. See, bro, I hate these machines. Not made for me. I have long legs, short arms. Oh, that's heavy. That's heavy today. Y'all see that? Barely won. Come on, come on. Dig, 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 dig. Pathetic. Alright, so now we're gonna do a decline neutral press. I'm just basically keeping it here, palms facing in, and pressing straight out. And get some final contraction in the chest, and then we're gonna superset that with a little bit of either single arm rows, if it's available, or hammer rows, if it's available. Not the hammer rows I was doing, but the upright hammer rows, or upright plate little rows. There's so many ways for it, who cares? But yeah, let's go. We don't do this just for us. We do this for everyone around us. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, I'm cramping up a little bit right in the abdomen area. So area I always cramp up. I don't know why, but it might just be a little bit of dehydration because I've been traveling all day, so never got to actually like fully rest. I only slept like 3 hours, but not picking excuses. We're here though. Let's go. See, I love this gym already, man. Look at this, look at this. Don't be weak. Rack your weights. So for all you out there, don't be racking your weights. That's for you. Stop being weak. Come on. I feel a little bloated. I ain't gonna lie to you, fam. And again, it's just because. Oh, you know, let me stop. Talking about I only had 3 hours of sleep. Shut up. I don't know how much I weigh right now, so we'll check that later. I don't know if there's a scale here, but yeah, that's it for today's chest and back. Hope you guys enjoyed that. Yeah, man, biggest takeaway I can get from this workout is just get it in, man. Don't make excuses. Just get it in. You know, today is something I learned about the seminar, and just talking to different individuals. You know, just networking. Most importantly, just having good conversation is like. Bro, the people that get the results that you see online, they're like, oh my God, look at their physique, look at this. Yes, some take steroids, but also you gotta realize behind the steroids, it's still hard work. They're still working harder than you, they're still doing more than you. And it goes for anything that you do. Like you can't, and here's something I hear when people say, it's like my generation is lazy, because they're not wrong, we are. When it comes to doing the work, we are. Because we have a lot of advances and automations that we could utilize to make things easier for us, but initially we are lazy to get things started. You know, we need motivation. You don't need motivation, you just need to show up and just take one action step a day. You know, before I started this YouTube channel, I did not know what to do. I was just like, fuck it, let's just find out what to do. And that's the biggest thing, you know, don't seek the answer, just seek the truth. And the truth is not always going to be the answer you're looking for, but at least the truth is something that's going to help you dig deeper into what you're trying to look for. Meaning, you seek the truth about, oh, when it comes to content creation, is it really that hard? No, you seek the truth of, oh, this is actually pretty easy. And over time, you learn different ways to make it better, make it bigger, most importantly, make it you. But yeah, biggest thing I want to share with you guys. That being said, hope you have the best day ever. Stay beautiful, stay blessed. Hope you enjoy this workout. This is day 1 in LA. We got a few more days to go. Catch you guys next time. Peace.